Welcome back, friends. In our last three classes, we have discussed about JQuery selector, JQuery selector. So in this class, we are going to discuss about JQuery chaining method. So this is a very important concept or feature in JQuery. You can just remove this area from here and just save this and launch in Chrome. There will be remain the same, and just we have some links here. You can see there is no animation, nothing. And here inside in this class we are going to discuss about something is called JQuery chaining method. Okay, so at first you need to go inside a $sign here or a basic syntax inside the JQuery, as we are doing in our last previous classes. Inside the single quotation you need to just select the li, and you can just say on mouse click or mouse enter. You can say here, you can say click or mouse enter. Mouse enter. You can just run the function here, function, and open curly braces. Just come here. Inside the curly braces again you are just going to insert the basic syntax, round bracket, full stop, or you can say dot, again round bracket and semicolon. Here inside this we are going to use this selector, and here after the dot sign we are using fade out attribute. Control S to save. Now just come here and refresh. On mouse enter this should be fade out or invisible, so not working. Let's check. Fade out. So why this not working? On mouse enter this should be fade out. Fade out, O-U-T. O should be capital and U-N-T should be in small letter. Come here, refresh. Now we can see. So if you want to just fade in, you need to just copy this, Control C, and paste here, fade in. You can just say fade in. Control S. Now come back here and refresh. Now you can see. Once it is going fade out, then it's just coming back to fade in, or just going invisible and then coming back, it is just becoming visible. So what's chaining method? So you can say chaining method, you can call many you can say effects in one line. You can call many effects in one line. So this is called chaining method. You can call many effects in one line, so this is called chaining method. So if you just focus here, we have used fade out in one line and fade in another separate line. So if you are just know how to use chaining method, so it will make you easy just for you. You can just do this in one line of code. After this round bracket, you can just put a dot, and you can just write here fade in, again a round bracket. Just this all. Control S to save. Now come back here and refresh. Now you can see the same result, fade down and fade in, fade out, fade in. So like this you can just do fade out, fade in. You can put a dot sign, and after that slide up. You can say slide up with the round bracket, and put another dot. You can say slide down, another round bracket. Control S. Control S to save. Now come here and check the result. So you can see. You can see. So you can just use many effects or many events just in one line. So this called you can call many effects in one line. So this called chaining method, CHAI. So like this you can just create or use many effects in one line. So there is one more attribute that you can use. For example, I'm just giving one more example about chaining method you can use here. For example, instead of this, I'm just going to remove this one. Instead of this fed out, we are just going to use fed2. Okay, then fed2 inside the round bracket, here you are just using a comma for just separating two properties. The first one is I am just giving 500 millisecond, it means half second, and second one is 0.4. so you are just going to increase the opacity. Control S and refresh. By just mouse entering, you are going to increase the opacity. You can see 1.4. so once again the opacity is increasing. So if you want to just after increasing the opacity, you can just bring it back on its normal mode. So you can just after this round bracket you can put a dot. We are using chaining method here. Again you are just going to write fed2, then open a round bracket, and you can just write here something like 200, then a comma, then 1. Opacity should be 200 by 1. Control S, this is the timing and this is the opacity. Control S. Now you can see. So the main concept is you must understand the concept of chaining method. You can call when you are just calling many effects in one line. So this called chaining method. So this is the definition. You can just understand from this. I hope this is clear for you. You are understand. There is no confusion. So just this helpful for you. We will come back in next class. So till next class you need to watch the video and do practice. Have a nice time and see you.